Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I'm Bryan. I've been thinking recently about painting my headlight bucket and my instrument bezel, and today had rain in the forecast, so let's get it done. Now guys, before we move on, go ahead and do me a favor. Scroll right below this video and hit that subscribe button. If you hit that bell next to it, you'll also get notified whenever I put new videos out. Now, I've been wanting to paint this headlight bucket and the instrument panel black for a while, and today was just the perfect excuse to do it. I figured while I was at it, I'd go ahead and show you guys how to take the headlight bucket off, and while we're in there, go ahead and show you how to replace the headlight. Alright, very first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop off the two Phillips head screws on the bottom side of the headlight bucket. From there, you go ahead and pull the bottom side out of the headlight, drop it down, and just pull your plug. And set that headlight to the side for now. Now, if you're just wanting to go ahead and replace the headlight, all you're going to do is pop off this plug, and then on this, you just press it down and pull it around, and that's going to actually just let you lift it right out. To put it back in, you're just going to put your headlight back in, and do the opposite. Just push it down and push it back around. There's a little clip that it's actually going to sit under on this little piece here, and you just press it down underneath that clip, and it's going to secure your light bulb. Pop your thing back on, and you're good to go. Now, depending what mods may have been done to the bike, your headlight bucket might look just a little bit different than mine, but don't let that scare you. The process of actually taking it off is going to be the same. Now, I've done away with my turn signals, so I've got like these extra wires here, and I've fixed my click of death problem, so I've got this indicator light here. But like I said, the actual process is going to be the same. We're going to go ahead and remove these 4 8mm bolts holding the bucket on. We've got 2 up top and 2 down bottom here. And once you get the screws out, you're going to go ahead and start disconnecting all these plugs here. Now, most of them are color coordinated, you know, black, blue, white, green, so you're not going to have to worry about mixing them up. Now you're going to go ahead and most of them are going to be the clip-in, so you'll just press down on the clip, kind of jiggle it free. Now these clips on the side that hold them on, if you'll just kind of press it back, it'll clip right off, and that will allow you to take it right off that side. Alright, now once you've got that done, you should be able to go ahead and start kind of prying the bucket free. Now this back one has a little tie that goes around it, and if you'll take it and actually push those out real quick, you flip it around on the back side, if you'll take it and kind of squeeze it, you can push it right back through. And it'll pop that line right off there. And from there you should be good to just go ahead and work all those wires back through that hole to get that headlight out. Now to remove the instrument panel, you're going to take off the two 4mm bolts on either side of this. Now once you get the bolts out, you'll go ahead and pull out and release any kind of clips that may not have been released whenever you took off the headlight bucket. Alright, now that I've got my headlight bucket painted, I'm ready to start putting everything back together. Now we're going to go ahead, very first thing, we're going to start feeding all these wires back through that hole on that side. The rest of the wires that you have left over through the top here, except for the red and the blue, you're going to leave those two for your instrument panel. And once you get to this point, you can go ahead and take your clip here, pop it right back through that back hole, and it'll just snap into place. And then you can start going ahead and putting all your connectors back together. Now, like I said, most of them you shouldn't have to worry about because they're color coordinated, but if you look at it, you can see the pink is matching up with the pink, brown with the brown on this white one. So just in case, you know, two of them are the same color, you don't have to worry about really getting them mixed up still. Now when you finish with that, if you've taken off your instrument panel, you're going to have two plugs left down here, and you'll have the red and blue plug left on the side as well. Now after that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the instrument cluster. I'm going to go ahead and run the two white plugs through the top of that headlight bucket as well. And then I'm going to plug the red and the blue in over here on the side. When you get that blue one connected, I like to try and tuck that one back into the headlight bucket to save me a little bit of room up top. I'm actually going to go ahead and start screwing the headlight bucket to the top. Got those started, I'll go ahead and hit the 4 bolts, the Allen bolts on the sides here. I just do that because it's easier to kind of get that top maneuvered in and then push it down into the bottom, as opposed to actually trying to screw this in and then shoving that headlight into place and trying to hold everything right into place to get those screws started. Unfortunately, the video stopped recording on me and I didn't realize it. So once you've got your 4mm Allens back in, you're ready to go ahead and find your 2 plugs that came in from underneath of your instrument cluster here, and the 2 plugs that came in on the side, and go ahead and plug those back together. And then go ahead, pop in your 2 8mm bolts on the bottom, and tighten all those 4 up. And then if you've still got your 2 clips on the sides, you can go ahead and put your wire looms back into those to kind of make room. And from there, you're ready to go ahead and pop your headlight socket back in, pop your headlight on, put your 2 Phillips head screws in, and you're set. And when you put your headlamp back in, go ahead and plug that in, and then your top has a little lip. You go ahead and put that little lip in, And then just pop that bottom side in and screw them in and you're set. Now guys, I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to like and share. And also, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell next to it so you get notified whenever new videos come out. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time.